Our journey begins in ancient Gaul, a land of diverse Celtic tribes like the Gauls. Their free-spirited life was interrupted in the 1st century BC, when Julius Caesar launched a successful conquest. With Caesar's conquest, Gaul was forever changed as it became a part of the mighty Roman Empire. Fast forward to the 5th century AD, a new power rises, the Franks. They establish a kingdom that will morph into the France we know today. Then in the 9th century, Charlemagne expands this Frankish kingdom across Europe. Under Charlemagne's rule, the Frankish kingdom expanded, setting the foundation for modern-day France. As centuries pass, France finds itself embroiled in a long, grueling conflict with England. The Hundred Years' War, spanning the 14th to 15th centuries, introduces unforgettable figures like Joan of Arc. The Hundred Years' War saw France emerge victorious, and Joan of Arc became a symbol of French resilience. In the wake of the war, France enters a period of intellectual and cultural bloom. During the Renaissance and the Enlightenment, France became a beacon of learning and innovation. The country was home to influential thinkers such as Voltaire and Rousseau, whose philosophies continue to shape our world today. The Renaissance and Enlightenment were periods of great intellectual growth, with France at the forefront. But as the 18th century draws to a close, France is on the brink of a revolution. A period of intense social and political upheaval, the French Revolution saw the citizens overthrow the monarchy, paving the way for radical societal change. This transformative era culminated in the rise of a figure who would leave an indelible mark on France and the world: Napoleon Bonaparte. The French Revolution marked the end of monarchy in France and set the stage for Napoleon's reign. From the beautiful era to the devastating world wars, France's history is anything but dull. The Belle Époque, or Beautiful Era, saw France flourish in arts, culture, and technology. Yet the dawn of the 20th century brought with it the harsh realities of 2 world wars. These conflicts brought immense suffering but also fostered resilience and unity. The aftermath of these wars would redefine the nation's identity and place in the world. The world wars left indelible marks on France, shaping its future in profound ways. In the aftermath of war, France begins to rebuild and looks towards a future of peace and cooperation. The nation plays a central role in founding the European Union, a beacon of unity amidst the ruins of conflict. With the formation of the European Union, France embarked on a new chapter of peace and partnership. Today, France stands as a beacon of culture, cuisine, and fashion. Its iconic landmarks, such as the Eiffel Tower, and its contributions to art, science, and diplomacy, echo its rich history. From ancient Gaul to modern France, this nation's remarkable journey continues to shape the world.